Does PC case size matter? Work Rift. Many people believe the size of your computer case is a key factor in the performance of your computer. The truth is, the size of your case does not affect the performance at all. The size of the computer case is just a way to make your computer more aesthetically pleasing. If you have enough space in your garage to accommodate an arcade video game cabinet, this consideration is irrelevant to you. Full tower cases, on the other hand, will appear out of place in a living room where you're trying to build something more complicated than the Chromecast. It's a matter of personal preference. Mini towers are popular among gamers for a variety of reasons, including their resemblance to vintage subwoofers and their desire to keep their systems understated. Others, on the other hand, will limit their computer's processing capability because they favor tiny, concealable enclosures. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.